This is Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire. Just take a look at this 1999 Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 32.2. A nice tidy boat, a lovely interior on this boat. Sails original but have been cleaned, new UV strips in the last couple of years. Standing rigging was replaced in 2016. The boat's been very lightly used really. Spray here just could do coming off and just having a clean. It doesn't look damaged. There's a little bit of damage here that the boat got hit in a storm. This back rail came off and hit this and caused a bit of a problem, but it's not serious. It's just the way it looks aesthetically really at this minute. Obviously the teak wants a good clean.